Welcome, beautiful salespeople. I know that you love different crypto reports. That's why today we're unpacking the report by Outlier Ventures about AI and crypto. This topic, I think, is going to pick up in 2024. It's going to be a very good sector for us as BDs to look into. So in this video, I will divide it into two parts. We're going to spend first 1-2 minutes talking about the general findings from the report that I found out, something like the most important parts. And then I'm going to jump into how it's going to be helpful for us for BDs to grow the business in 2024. So, the general vibe of this report is very positive. Like, yeah, AI and Web3, like we should go together, we should grow together. There is dependencies. We both Web3 and AI really depend on data. We need data. And the problem with AI right now that the data is centralized, or it's stored in one place, or it's not decentralized, where Web3 can help. And what Web3 problems we have UIs, user experiences that are not scalable. We cannot onboard 1 billion people to Web3 right now. That's why we're not having 1 billion people here, because it's super, super hard. And although we're trying to solve something inside of our industry, like account abstraction, all this stuff, getting AI and improving the user interfaces with the help of AI, make it more similar, making it more understandable for user. Maybe AI doing majority of the heavy lifting for a user, so then the user just needs to click a few buttons and then get all the benefits of the Web3. That's like the main point of this report. We need to get more projects building. This is a very good and prospective area for you to build the project right now, because just the fact that the Outlier Ventures, the VC firm, a capital firm, they're writing about this, means that they see some good motions in this industry. They see that this can be popular. I do not know how effective are we gonna be in solving each other's problems. But what I know for sure, that Web3 needs AI way more than AI needs Web3. That's 100%. Just for a simple reason. In Web3 right now, we don't have enough use cases to justify it's being scaled to 1 billion users. And AI, they already have these use cases. Even the ChatGPT, they can do like a ton of different things for you. And look at these custom GPTs that are created. By the way, if you haven't seen how to use ChatGPT in sales, I'm gonna link the videos above. But the main point here is that it's a very good prospective area. Anything that's going to be built right now is still going to be kind of like raw, where we in Web3 would try to find what's the best use case for AI. But I don't think there's going to be a lot of initiative on the AI projects, on the AI side, to integrate us, because they typically don't need us. The more decentralization it gets, sometimes I don't think that for them, like from a stakeholder view in AI, that's going to be a good thing. Now, switching into Web3 and how it's going to be helpful for us. So think about this. There is a new sector that a few venture capital firms are talking that, yeah, this is a cool sector, we should do more of that. They're investing their time, their resources, and the team that has done this job is like amazing. It's a lot of time, it's a lot of energy that has flown into creating this kind of report. Why? Because they want to invest in this sector, like maybe not right now, maybe in a couple of months. But what this means for us? This means that in 3, maybe 6 months, maybe by the end of the year, maybe like next week, there's going to be a certain flow that there's going to be few AI/Web3 projects emerging, and they're going to receive funding. And what we can do as BD professionals, get first to them and show them the stuff, how we can help the process easier. Because if you have a product or service or whatever it is that you think is going to be helpful for these AI projects to move faster, to build faster, then it's your obligation, it's your moral right to get in touch with them and help them build this thing faster. Because the faster they can build, the faster they can do something, the faster they can get funding, move forward, bring these new ideas, the faster they find the use case of this synergy between AI and Web3, the better it's going to be overall. And I think that Outlier Ventures or any other VC firm is just going to be for that and up for that, for you to go and help those projects build, move the stuff faster. So what's my plan? What am I planning to do with this information? I'm watching constantly our tool at Enrich, the AI sector, for new projects that are popping up. I'm watching news for anybody that gets funding. I'm watching our tool for anybody that gets funding. As soon as somebody prominent pops up on my radar, I'm outreaching them immediately. Even if I don't know would they use our tool or not, even if I don't know if there's a use case for us or not, it doesn't matter. I'm outreaching, I'm making a connection. Because it's always good to have a connection, and then you don't know what's going to happen in the future. This is the sector that I highly advise you to get your attention on, because this is where the money will flow. This can be one of the narratives in 2024 that will pick up a certain sector up and above. There were NFTs, there were DeFi. Right now, maybe it's going to be the merge between AI and Web3. Guys, this was insane pleasure to review this for you. I will include all the links, and big shout out to the Outlier Ventures below. You can find it in the description. Go reach out to them, go find some projects, follow this topic. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff that's coming up in 2024. This was Nikolai from Web3 Gym. If you are not a member in our Telegram community, the link is applied below, and there is a lot of cool and interesting videos that I'm going to attach here and here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.